Whoa, hi. Today we're going to be looking at nature. Follow me and you'll see our first nature. Here we have, what are the plants called again?
Bushes?
Yeah, the bushes.
Mm.
These are very common in France and most of the world. Here we have the big tree. Now, this is very different to its name. Follow me. Here we have the bin where we put most of our food and plastic. We tipped it out yesterday, so it is ready for being Here we have the red ones.
Did you,
The what?
did you say stop filming?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Keep.
Okay.
Here we have the red and orange trees. Yeah, these are very common in Austin because of the heat climate. Okay, stop and stop.
Now?
Yeah, not now.
Oh, right.